Goldblatt sent me this. It's a folding jab saw. And these kind of products I love, right? I love being able to go up to a piece of drywall and cut a small hole in it to put a box in there, whether I'm running a cable for Ethernet or if I'm running a satellite cable for my DirecTV, I can use something like this. They say it can cut through cement board, drywall, and PVC. It's a 5-inch blade, but probably the best thing about this is it's fast fold. And what I mean by that is I've got a jab saw that I've used in the past. The problem was it didn't fold. So I was constantly throwing it in the toolbox or whatever when I'm working, and then I go to pull it back out and something set on top of it. Now the blade's kind of bent a little bit, the tip's a little sideways, so it doesn't quite work the way it used to. The fact that this one's gonna fold up and protect the blade makes it perfect. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and we'll check it out. Oh man, look. That is very nice. That tip is incredibly sharp. That is gonna poke right into some drywall, cement board or whatever. You got a great grip on it, and even better, it's folding, right? So you can fold it and get it out of the way, protect the blade when you put it in the toolbox. But the best thing is once it's open, and even to open it, you got to push the button. But once it's open, it's not going to close and smash your fingers or cut your fingers open because you're not pushing the button. So you push the button to be able to close it. And now it's a protected piece. We're going to go try this out and see how well it works. Hi, we're going to check out this Goldblatt jab saw, and like I mentioned, it is perfect. The blade is out of the way. It can't open. Like if you throw it in your pocket, you don't have to worry about it opening and cutting yourself. Got to push the button for it to open. Incredibly sharp point there. Got a sample piece of drywall here. Just walk up to it. Just kind of move it back and forth. I mean, how easy is that? This thing does a great job. The old one I have definitely did not have this sharp of a tip. I would have to, you know, kind of give it a little tap. And actually you could with this one, depending on what you're going into it with. But for drywall, I mean, it's just as easy as kind of putting it in, working up and down for a second, and it's through there. I mean, that point is incredibly sharp. And it'll also cut through PVC with no problem. Big shout out to Goldblatt for sending me this jab saw. This thing is awesome. Again, I love the way you got to push the button to take the blade out. The blade's incredibly sharp. I took it and cut it into drywall with no problem. It cuts through PVC with no issues. This thing is great. Close it up, throw it in your toolbox, and it'll be there when you need it. It's perfect to put a square hole in a piece of drywall. If you're inserting a box for an electrical outlet or running a cable. I don't know if anybody runs Cat 5 cables anymore, considering everything's Wi-Fi, but whatever you need to run a box for, be the perfect thing to get that hole in the drywall. Check out the link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.